I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille. Okay. What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Shanelle.JANai from around the way. Hey, and this is a very, very short video because this hair is so easy. So, I would recommend this wig to anyone who does not have time to play around with wigs or maybe doesn't know how to completely finesse a wig. This one is really, really quick because all you're really doing is putting it on your head. I promise you, it's not that many steps with this wig because it doesn't allow you to do much to it. You're kind of stuck with it exactly the way it is. This wig is by Naturali Star. This is another wig that I found at my This is another wig that I found at my local beauty supply store. And it has a pre-tweezed part. And you'll see when you watch the video that I didn't realize, I didn't pay attention to the fact that this wig is not a frontal, so it's not like a lace frontal. There's no way to do full baby hair across the whole front, and that's what I like to do with my wigs. But this wig, you cannot do that. You literally have to put it on, wear it the way it is. There's no pulling it back, really, none of that. As always, if I find a link to this wig, I will put it in the description below. If you do not see a link, that just simply means that I could not find this wig anywhere online. But as always, I find my things at beauty supply stores. So maybe start by looking for the brand Naturali Stars in a pink box like this. It has this beautiful black queen with her fro right here. So, you know, the color is on the side of the box. It says SOMRTOPAL. Basically, long story short, it's this bluish gray color. Let me know what y'all think. Like, do I look nice in this color? I was so iffy, and I love color. But anyway, I'm gonna get right into this video because I'm rambling. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the end, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I already don't like about this wig, I didn't even realize it, but there's no lace. There's only lace where the part is. I like it for it to be along the whole front so that I can do my baby hair look. Let's go ahead and put this on. Okay. Now, where's this part? The part is over here. I got it a little too much over. Move it over a little bit. They do have combs on the inside of this wig. So you see the part right here. I think that's a good spot for it. I usually braid my hair under wigs. That's just not what I did this time. That's okay. I just slicked my hair back and put a wig cap on. First thing that I'm looking at right now is this part that we're gonna have to work on. And you see they cut some baby hair already. Sorry y'all, I also wanted to change my shirt. I wasn't feeling it with this hair color. But anyway, and the hair is really long. So I want some baby hair for right here. Even though there's no lace, we're gonna make something work right here. Don't worry. I just want to make sure that I have baby hair right here, and that's it. So we're just gonna concentrate on this section. I'm gonna be taking my Got To Be Ultra Glue, and that's what I'm gonna use to get these edges to lay. I'm gonna make sure that this is not too much. Like this can't be any thinner. I want to pull some of this. I'm just pulling some hair because they did give us some baby hair, but it looks like it'll be a little bit thick. So I'm just pulling some to make it thinner, which is equivalent to plucking hair. So if you have tweezers and you're more comfortable with that, you can use tweezers. Let me see what I can do with this. I have to get kind of close because I really can't see. Do I want this to go? This is why I hate doing my makeup first, because all I do is rub it when I'm doing my baby hair. It's so annoying. You see? That's okay, we'll fix that last. Over here. This hair is so long. Everything is a hassle. So yeah, the good thing is that I like side parts, so I don't have to make one that's just already in the side part. So right now I'm just kind of playing in it, fluffing out the curls because I do like big hair. So just fluffing this out. Look at how much hair. It's a lot. It's a lot. Alright, so now I'm going to work on my part a little bit. I'm going to go in with this NYX powder foundation that I have. It's in my skin tone color. And I just want to use that throughout my edges to help make everything look a little bit more natural. And I'm also taking some concealer from Makeup Forever, and I'm using this shade that's kind of like my skin tone as well, and just dabbing it in my part. I already did it here, and you can see the difference when I didn't do it here. So you can see my part now. It's way more natural looking. And I'm done. I'm looking at my hair right now and I really like it at this length. Keep in mind that this wig is really like this long. Let me just sit back so you guys can see. It's long and overwhelming. So yeah, when you follow me on social media, you may see pictures of me with it shorter because I'm looking at it this length and this is really, really cute to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and follow me on all social media as well. I do follow back, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye guys.